Welcome back. So now it's time we are going to start our revision work in EVS. In our EVS subject, we have learned about shapes and colors. So today we are going to do a quick revision of this topic where we are going to see some objects that are circle in shape, square in shape and triangle in shape. These are the three shapes we have done. So we'll have a quick revision of different objects that are in these shapes, and we are also going to revise the colors. So which all colors we have done? Red, yellow. So you can see red, yellow, then orange we have done. So if you will look carefully, these flowers, they are orange in color. Then we have done brown color, green color. So we are going to revise all these colors and the objects we have in these colors. Okay, so let's begin and revise our today's topics, that is shapes and colors. Okay, let's begin quickly. Circle shape. See, we have so many objects with circle shape. We have a tire, button. Wow, what's this? It's a yarn of the wool. Oon ka gola, isn't it? Again, that is circle in shape. Can you see this ring? Ring ka jo ye circle shape dikh raha hai? Then we have wreath. So we use this to decorate on Christmas. We hang it on the doors. The wreath is also square, a circle in shape. Then we have one more hanging, one more decoration part which we use to decorate Christmas tree. So these are fancy balls or lights, circle in shape. We have tomatoes, circle in shape, isn't it? Then plate is also circle in shape. What is this? It's the disc. आप उड़न तश्तरी से खेलते हो, डिस्क होती है जिसको हम फ्लाई करते हैं from one end to another. It's circle in shape. We have candies, circle in shape. Earth planet है, उसके अलावा और different planets हैं. They are circle in shape, isn't it? What is this? This is again a rugby ball, circle in shape. So these are objects that are circle in shape. Now, can you find out some circular objects? Sun, planet, lemon slice. Slice of lemon is also circle. Balloon is also circle. We have smileys in circle shape, isn't it? This ring is also circle in shape. So all these are circle shape objects. Now next we have is a triangle shape. What is a triangle shape? So now it's triangle shape. Which are the objects that are triangle in shape? Slice of watermelon, then mountain, birthday cap, tent. Then this is a stack game for toddlers. This is the signboard. And what are these? Cones. You will find these cones on road where some construction or repair work is going on. Clear? Again, these are balls kept in a triangle. We use this for billiards game. Then we have ice cream cones. Umbrella is triangle in shape. Slice of pizza. As I told you, hanger is triangle in shape. Then we have the sailboats. के जो sail होते हैं, they are triangle, isn't it? Christmas tree is triangle in shape. Again, we have one more ice cream cone that is triangle in shape. And do you know what is this? It is a musical instrument, and you will find it triangle in shape, but it is not joined from one side. Clear? So these are different objects of triangle shape. Now comes the next shape, that is square shape. The shape that has four sides joining to each other. So we have clock, handbag, calculator, window, biscuits, chessboard, gift, puzzles, mat, television, pillow, notepad. All these are square in shape. Clear? Then again I told you games like carom board, chess. Then your bread slice is again square in shape. Somewhere we have blackboards square in shape. Clock and window we have seen, they are square in shape, isn't it? Wall clocks I'm talking about. Sometimes even the wristwatch जो हम हाथ में पहनते हैं उनका डायल भी स्क्वायर होता है. The different colors we are going to learn about or we are going to revise today. They are red, yellow, green, orange, brown. Yes, all of you just say once with me. Red, yellow, green, orange, brown. So one by one we'll understand about different objects. So the first one we have is red color. Wow, there are so many things red in color. We have cherries, strawberry, crab. Crab कौन होता है? केकड़ा. Then red color crayon. We have apple in red color. We have heart, sweetheart. So sweetheart is always red in color. Then we have pepper. Pepper is red color की जो चिली होती है. Then ladybug is red in color. Then we have ambulance. Can you see this ambulance? Where we use it, this ambulance is actually a vehicle which is full of water. और जब कभी भी कहीं पे फायर हो जाती है and we need to put it off, we use this ambulance. Then we have plus cross sign. So this cross sign you will generally find in hospitals or on medical kits. Then strawberry, stop. अब जहाँ पे भी आप रोड पे या कहीं पर ये वाला साइन बोर्ड देखेंगे, that means you cannot go there and you should not go there. Okay? Stop. Now, a very beautiful flower, rose. A flower which is full of such a pleasant fragrance. Isn't it? That is also red in color. Then, wow, our favorite Santa. Yes, whenever Santa comes, he brings so many gifts for us on Christmas. So the dress of Santa is also red in color, isn't it? So we have so many things that are red in color. Now next we have yellow. So what are the different things we have? Sun, banana, lemon. Then we have maize, you can call it corns also, corn cob, mango, smileys, cheese. We all love eating cheese, either in pizza or in burger. So they are also yellow in color. The cheese is yellow. Then we have these school vans. Can you see two school vans? They are yellow in color. Then the ducks, the playing ducks, one which we love playing in water or in pool. They are yellow in color. Next we have green. So in green we have so many vegetables, isn't it? Broccoli, ladyfinger, spinach. There are so many leafy green vegetables. Fruits like watermelon, green in color. Kiwi is green in color. Then we have pear is green in color. Sometimes guava is also green in color. Then cucumber. So many things we have. Trees. The leaf of trees green in color. I told you frogs. They are also green in color. Grass is green. Your turtle. See, this is a turtle. Turtle, the one that floats in water, lives in the water. Turtle is also green in color. Isn't it? So many things we have. What is this? Which vegetable is this? Broccoli. Again green in color. Next we have orange. So we have oranges. We have orange juice. Then we have pumpkin. Pumpkin is orange in color. We have carrots, orange in color. Goldfish looks orange in color. Then we have basketball. Isn't it? There are so many things we have in orange color. Now, wow, the brown color. So, the things that are brown in color. Chocolate. Isn't it? Then we have bread, brown bread. We have chocolate ice creams. Monkey is brown in color. Table, I told furniture is brown. Squirrel, you'll find squirrel in brown color. Wood log, again in brown color. We have potatoes in brown color. Owl is there, brown color. Bear is there. Isn't it? Then we have reindeer also. So who's a reindeer? The one who moves the sledge. Santa आते हैं ना sledge पे, तो reindeer उस sledge को चला रहा होता है. Then sand. आप जाते हो कभी, अगर आप बीच पे गए होंगे, मिट्टी जो sand होती है वो brown color की होती है. We make so many sand castles out of it. Isn't it? Shoes. Sometimes we have shoes brown in color. So this is what a brown color looks like. Then your rope, rassa, tug of war का जो मोटा वाला रस्सा होता है, that is also brown in color. So class, these are different objects that are brown in color. Animals like bear, owl, reindeer, monkey, squirrel, snake. Isn't it? Then we have one vegetable, potato. Potato तो आपने देखा होगा ना घर में, जो उसका पील उतारती है मम्मा, that is brown in color. Understood? So class, today we have revised the colors brown, orange, green, yellow and red.